Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about data types in Python. So what is Python? Python, this is a object oriented programming general purpose language. In this programming language there are some data types. So data types is it indicates the type of data which is used in the program. So it indicates the type of data, what type of data we are supposed to store. So it will show with the help of type, it will show what type of data is that. So there are some um, data types, and there are two types of data types, that is mutable data type and immutable data types. So mutable data type is once data type is assigned, it can be edited, updated or deleted also. So there are some mutable data types like list, dictionary and set. And the immutable data type is once data type is assigned, it cannot be changed. There are three immutable data types. So this is the big difference between mutable and immutable. It will ask you on interviews also. So there are three immutable data types, that is numeric, string and tuple. So in this video we are going to learn these data types. So immutable data type is new. First we are going to see the numeric. What is numeric? Numeric means all the numbers are categorized as a numeric data type. Int, integer, all the numbers between infinity to plus infinity. Float, all the decimal values will be stored. Integer, float. Okay. So first is string. So string, second one is string, sorry. Numeric, you know about numeric, number are categorized as a numeric data type. Numbers means if we have assigned these numbers, so this is an integer. This is a type of integer. And this is also type of integer. This is not an integer, okay? This is a string. If I run this, see, it will showing me str, the type of s. So string data type is what? Value specified in a single or double quote or a string data. String data type means it will showing the characters. Okay. And integer means it will showing the number with the help of this type. This is the inbuilt function. So there are some operations on string data type. So first operation is concatenation. The process of combining two or more string together, that is concatenation. So concatenation, how it happens? With the help of this plus operator, the concatenation will be happen. So in this three variables, I give assign a is equals to today, b is equals to c is equals to raining. So I want these three sentence together, means concatenate. How it possible? With the help of this plus operator, I just write a plus, then space, b plus, then space, c plus. Means we are going to plus this 3, and it will giving me output as a today is raining. So this is the concatenation operation. Next is replication. So next is replication. Replication means replicating the string by specified number of times. Replication means multiplication, means replicate. So there are this, the replication symbol is this multiplication symbol. So we are going to use this multiplication symbol for replication operation. So I want this apple 4 times. So simply I just p into 4. Run this. It will giving me apple, apple, apple. Okay, but it is not looking proper, right? There is no space between there is no space between apple, right? So how it happens? With the help of concatenation and plus operator, it will happen. So I just give p in bracket p plus space, I'm giving a space, into 3, and I'll just simply run this. See, it will giving me a space between this apple. So this is our application. If I write 10, it will give me 10 times apple. See, this is also. Next operation is indexing. Okay. So what is indexing? So here I write apple, right? So what is the A position? What is a P position? What is L position? What is E position? So that is means indexing. Indexing means every character in string will have an index number. It starts with 0. Always remember, it starts with 0, and there is a negative index. There is also a negative index. From right hand side there is a negative index, and from left hand side there is start from positive index, that is start from 0. So I want today's index position. So what is the today's index position? So I simply write w is equals to today is holiday, and I want t, and I want this t's position. So I just simply write 0. Means because I already mentioned it starts with 0th index in the index number. So that means t is 0, then 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I just simply run this. It will giving me t. See, it will giving me t as an index position. So this is the indexing. Next is slicing. Slicing means it is used to extracting the word from the string. Okay. So syntax of this string is string, start, end, and step. So if I want this Python, whole Python, how it will happen? The P of position is 0, and the last position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why I'm giving 6 here? Because there is one space over here. So there is also one empty space, we can say. So that's why I write this 6. And if I run this, it will give me Python. If I want is also, so I just simply 8. Let's see what ci is reprinted. If I want whole Python is fun. I want whole Python. I want whole this sentence. Okay, so how it happened? 0 is the starting position. Ending position is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm just writing 12. Run. Python is fun. Why is not giving me un? Because there is one space here, that's why. See, Python is fun. If I want b of uh see mm, I love, okay, sorry, this is from a, so this is a slicing, means extracting, like this. If I give b over there, and if I run this, love program, ing will not giving me. Why? Because there is 13 and then 14, 15, 16 over there position. So that's why. See, now you give me a whole sentence properly. So this is a slicing, means extracting the words. So in next lecture we are going to see some methods of data types, methods on data types. So we will see you on next lecture. We will stop over here. Bye bye guys. See you in next lecture.